Where are you going?
That was
I had to try.
Yeah.
Left. We got a very comfortable pairing today. We got Michelle Wie, then we have Karen Stupples from the Golf Channel, former professional golfer as well, and former KPMG colleague Sue Townsend.
Honestly, I don't think I've seen a divot game any better. His is tremendous. They fly so well through the air. They land so softly on the fairway, and they're so easy to put back in their spot. Really good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't think that's big enough.
In the biz, we call this a trophy bid. So
Yeah.
This one's coming home with this. That was pure too. Can we acknowledge that?
I mean, it was
I didn't
like
even
30
chunk
feet
it.
short.
Well, I didn't chunk it though.
Full first.
Yeah, it was
Full
ball
first.
first. Yeah. Laying up here.
No laying up.
That was a test. You passed.
How bad were you in the Pro-Am round?
It was pretty bad. We had a great team. We had two professionals with us that helped a lot. We did use a few of my shots, some tee shots, and a couple putts, but I didn't have my A game. But you know, you still have to take it one shot at a time out here.
We appreciate the time as always. Good luck the rest of the week.
Thanks, Nancy.
I would say shallower divots, maybe.
Okay.
And maybe lay up once in a while. I mean, just not every time, but once in a while.
Okay.
You know, maybe definitely on
It's
the
a
course.
scramble.
Yeah.
Come on. What do you think?
Like,
And
honestly.
I mean, I think pretty good.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
come on.
I think pretty good, actually. Right? He's a solid player.
If it's like a scene of a horrific accident and you have to do triage, like, what are you treating first? What's the most?
Amputate.
Yeah.
Amputate.
It's too late.
It's too late.
It's too late.
It's too late.
Over here. No comment. In the back. No comment. Yeah, Mike. Yeah. Mike, I'm not talking about that. All right. Kathy. Yeah, right here. Kathy, that's in the police report. You know that. Sarah, right here. No comment, Sarah. All right, guys. Thank you. What I wanted to do today, can't wait to see these swings up close and personal. It's one thing to see them on TV, but in person, the tempo, the rhythm, I know for sure I can learn a lot. It's cool to see, so let's go check it out some more.
All right, Randy, what have you learned out here?
First of all, park swing might be too good, but so young you, like it's just so slow and she never misses. Like I'm gonna slow my swing down.
There you have it. You heard it here first.
Glacial pace.
All right, second playoff hole. We're going back to 16, which means we're hoofing it down 18 fairway.
Not sure if we're supposed to be out here, but
I don't know. It's kind of a free-for-all at this point.
second playoff hole. We got a rain delay. No, you're good. Go, go, go.
Save yourself.
Save yourself.
Save yourself.
He's a freak. He's the fastest kid alive. It's just
This
beer.
is why we do it all winter. Train for moments like this.
It's just beer. Oh, he made it just in
Just
time.
made it. No, thank you.